Hello, and welcome to today's Nature Doodle. My inspiration for today's drawing was discovered on a walk through the forest. I found a beaver lodge on a frozen pond. Next to the lodge, beavers will make a food cache of edible twigs and branches. This provides underwater food for them throughout the winter. So let's start drawing to discover what I imagine may be going on inside and around the lodge. Beavers build their lodges out of tree branches and mud. It provides effective insulation from the cold of winter. They will chew and hollow out living quarters and line it with wood chips, bark, grass, and reeds. Beavers' front teeth, or sharp incisors, never stop growing and are self-sharpening. This is because one side of the tooth has a hard orange enamel and the other side a much softer material. The softer side wears faster than the harder enamel, which creates a constant chisel-like cutting surface. Beavers can carry around branches in water without getting water in their mouth because they can close their lips behind their front teeth. They can also close their nose to keep water out. Beavers have two types of fur to keep them warm and waterproof. Long guard hairs repel water, and the inner more fluffy underfur is for insulating warmth. They produce an oily substance from a rear gland called castor. They use this castor to keep their fur waterproof and also to mark their territories. Let's draw two otters sliding down the snow-covered lodge, having fun. Otters often slide through the snow on their bellies. With their short legs, I think it's an efficient way to move through deeper snow. As they build their lodge, they purposely avoid putting mud on the very top. This creates a ventilation pathway through all the tree branches for fresh air into and out of the lodge's living quarters. On a very cold winter day, you can actually see steam rising from the top of the beavers breathing inside. I'll draw a couple of crappie fish next to the lodge. They like to hang out near all the cover the sticks provide. I'm sure there is more food to be found here too for them. Abundant invertebrates and minnows to feed on within the lodge construction of mud and sticks. In the background, I will add a far shoreline of forest trees to give the drawing more depth in the distance. And to fill in this blank area, empty space, I can imagine a fisherman who set up an ice fishing tent to try his luck at fishing. And I'll draw a big old snapping turtle here that is spending the winter near the cover the lodge provides. That about does it for this doodle. Please take a look at my other doodles and please consider subscribing. Thank you.